Hello mga friendship! At today's video, we are here in Washington, D.C. at Lincoln Memorial with my husband and aunt. The Lincoln Memorial is a U.S. national memorial that honored the 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln, who was born in Kentucky, went on to become the 16th president. He was the president during America's Civil War. He was unfortunately killed. He was the best U.S. president. Yeah, mga friendship, I hope you like my video. Thank you so much. See you all to my next vlog. Goodbye!